Welcome to the water penalty rates video tutorial. This video will walk you through the data collection and template filling process for water charges penalty rates. Digit Water and Sewerage module enables online processing of new connection requests, generation of water bills, and facilitation of bill payments. The module eliminates the need for manual processing and streamlines the key water management functions for operational efficiency. Penalty is levied on the consumer in case the consumer fails to make the payment for the bill raised before the specified due date. The Water Penalty Rates Master Data defines the way penalty is calculated for late bill payments. The calculation logic may differ from one state or ULB to another. Download the Master's Data template. The Water Penalty Rates Master's List table contains 5 columns: serial number, penalty based on, grace period, penalty flat amount, and penalty percentage. Penalty on water charges is generally calculated upon either the entire bill amount or the amount pending for payment. Sometimes the penalty can also be a flat amount. Therefore, the penalty-based column defines the logic behind the penalty calculation. Enter this value in the first column. Data type for this column is text. Grace period is the number of days after which a penalty is levied. Enter grace period value in the next column. Data type is integer. Enter the value for penalty flat amount and penalty percentage in the next columns, if applicable. Data type for penalty percentage is decimal. Refer to the checklist to ensure data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any queries or more information, please reach out to our technical support team for assistance.